Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen if you're new here, and today's video is going to be a home decor haul specifically for bedroom stuff. So I usually look a little bit better than this. However, it has just been a long day and I have to get this video going and put this stuff away before my boyfriend comes home and realizes all of these things that I bought. So he's in Cleveland for a photo shoot. Shout out to my Cleveland people. I know there are some of you. I see you in the comments section. And yeah, let's get into it. I am going to start off with Big Lots. So I made a couple purchases at Big Lots, and I am going to kind of just explain one of them and get it out of the way. So I'm going to put a time marker right here for where you can skip ahead to the next item if you just want to see what this is and not listen to my story time. So I got this kind of cubicle shelf. It has the two cube spots that you put the little baskets or bins, and then two shelves. It is in the color white. This was only $30. So we have that in our guest bedroom in our apartment, and in our master bedroom of our apartment we have this mismatched, really old furniture. We thought we were like Chip and Joanna Gaines, and we thought we were like gonna repurpose some of that furniture, and we didn't know what we were doing. So we had these varnished furnitures that we just like painted regular black paint over. They are disgusting. They're chipping. They have dust like literally stuck in them. They're gross, and I just can't take it any longer. So we are actively searching to purchase a home. We haven't found one just yet. And when we do, we already have bedroom furniture in mind that we want to purchase, but I can't do it anymore with what's in my bedroom. I've always hated my bedroom ever since I've been out on my own because I just have this crappy furniture. So I did buy this because when we do get a home, and since I already have one of these are going to be the nightstands in our guest bedroom. I'm not going to pour a lot of money into my guest bedroom when I have to furnish a whole house. So I just decided to go ahead and get one, and we're actually just going to keep one of our crappy nightstands from our master bedroom, put it in the guest bedroom, and move these two cubicle shelves as our nightstands into our master bedroom just temporarily. And then we will take them with us to our new house and put them in the guest bedroom. So I did want to kind of explain that because these are kind of cheap, sort of crappy furniture pieces. They're kind of like college or like teenager pieces, but it's for our guest bedroom. Like I said, we're gonna have to furnish an entire house, and to be honest, the guest bedroom will be the last place that we focus on. If you're on a budget, this is just very simple, very clean, very non-offensive, neutral, and it goes with every. I did get that, and Jose has no idea that I am redoing the bedroom while he's in Cleveland. So I'm not sure if he's gonna be super happy or if he's gonna be mad because we're supposed to be saving money. All of this was budget stuff, and I did get the gray cubicles to go in there. I did get the gray bins to go in there just because the other one has the gray bins. I really wanted to get black, but since I already had the gray ones, I just went with two more gray ones so that they would match. And I am going to do like a bedroom, like a cheap bedroom refresh before and after. You'll see how ugly our bedroom is in a separate video. So that's all that I got from Big Lots. And then I went to Burlington. I never go to Burlington, but I have seen some people haul some really nice stuff from there recently. So I went in there and I scored majorly with this next item that I'm going to show you. I am so excited about it. It is this gorgeous mercury glass lamp. I actually got two of these. So I just peeled the paper off so you can see that the lampshade is like threaded with silver. It's kind of like a linen color, and then the base is mercury glass, silver mercury glass. And I do have a mercury glass lamp in my living room. You guys may have seen that before. I'm looking at it right now. And that's from Walmart, and it was $20 for the actual lamp and then $14 for the shade. The shade is just a gray, simple shade. This entire thing was $24, and this is not your average lampshade. This is a very special lampshade, very just gorgeous. So this was such a steal. I had to take them both. They had the best mercury glass lamps. They had other ones. And after that, I went to TJ Maxx and I saw very similar lamps at TJ Maxx for at least $10 to $15 more. So I got 2 of those, and those will be permanently in our master bedroom for the rest of time. Probably not for the rest of time, but I just love mercury glass lamps. And that has really stood the test of time for me since I've had the one in my living room for probably 2 or 3 years now. So I definitely love that. I also picked up this king sheet set and just this like medium to lightish gray color. This is a 6-piece set. Nothing super special here. The reason why I got this though is because it says it has deep pockets and we need deep pockets. I actually went on this major declutter, I don't know how long ago. I do it kind of often, and I realized that I had thrown away some pieces to some of my sheet sets that I didn't mean to throw away. And so I just needed like a complete set because all of my sheets kind of match, like they're all in the gray cream family, and some of them are patterned, so I can kind of mix and match, but I just wanted like one complete set, so I got. And then the last thing that I got from Burlington is this sconce set. Hopefully you guys can tell it is a mirror in the inside. The outside is a distressed light wood with some like gray washing over it, and there are these candle pedestals that slide down. So the headboard in our bedroom right now is black, and we are going to change that when we move, but I don't have any plans to change it until then. I don't know how much longer we'll be at this apartment, but I just want my bedroom to be presentable for whatever time left we have here. Better late than never. So since the headboard is black and everything else is so white, I thought that these would really kind of tie in because they have this dark color around the edges. And ooh, my hair just got caught in there. And I actually went to Burlington not to look for lamps. I went to look for decorative long and skinny kind of window pane mirrors to put behind the nightstand. I've seen that in home decor and I really like the way that it looks. I didn't see that there, but I thought with the mercury glass it would be too much anyways, and I wasn't leaving those lamps behind, so I thought that this could be a cute alternative just to bring the mercury glass in the light colors and the dark colors. Plus, when we move, we'll probably put our black headboard in our guest bedroom, so we might be able to use those in our guest bedroom at our new house. I'm like talking about this house like it exists. It doesn't like exist just yet. It's out there. We just don't know which house. I'm just saying we've put 3 offers in. We've gotten in 3 bidding wars and lost all 3. So it has to be close. I thought for sure the 3rd time was a charm. It was not. But I just feel like it's on the horizon. So the next place that I went was Walmart. And I wanted to find a decorative pillow to put on our bed. We do have a king size bed, and really we would probably need more like 3 decorative pillows, but they just get tossed on the floor. We have so many pillows. I just wanted one. It's not going to be like, it might look a little bit off, but that's okay. I just, like I said, this is kind of just a refresh. Temporary. These items are kind of temporary in our bedroom, and we'll find a place somewhere else later on down the line. But I picked up this really cute pillow. This is so cute. You see these kinds of pillows in way more expensive stores like Pier 1 and places like that. This isn't the greatest quality. It looks really nice on camera. In person, it's kind of like, I don't even know how to describe this material. The material is just polyester. So, but I love the design, and again, I'm hoping that this will tie everything together with the light and the dark. Our bedding, we have so many different bedding sets. I have like a very farmhouse kind of linen gray one with brown buttons. I have a faux fur cream colored set. I have some blue, some gray. I wasn't sure what would look best, and the more and more I thought about it, I was like, I don't think any of those are really going to make me feel refreshed in my bedroom. So I did get a bed in a bag set. I know some people are like, no about that. I've always gotten bedding sets And so I wanted something very simple and crisp and clean, so I got this. It is a 3-piece king set. I think this was $60. It's pin tucked, so it's not just plain, and it comes with the 2 shams and the 1 comforter. So this will be nice for spring, and I did want white in our guest bedroom. I had a white comforter set in our guest bedroom. Well, I do have one currently right now. However, it is stained and I can't get the stain out. So when we move, that's probably going to go in the guest bedroom, or we might keep it, I don't know. So the last thing I got is just a little trinket to put on the nightstand just to tie everything together, and it is this jack. I want to say Julie from Julie Simply Love has these, or maybe not, but it's a heavy duty piece. It's like iron and it's black. This was $8, I want to say, like $7.95 or something like that. And I might set this on, I think I'm going to set this on my side because my boyfriend has a black little organizer thing that he likes to have sitting out on the nightstand. So I wanted to kind of have them like even on both sides as far as colors go and like pieces. So I got this, and that is it for this haul. Like I said, I am definitely going to try to do like a bedroom refresh video. I just took pictures in my bedroom like a second ago of what it looked like before, because now I'm going to go put everything in there, and I might get a few more pieces to just kind of complete it. And so if you want to see that video, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you know when it goes up. And I'll let you guys know in that video what Jose says, because this is going to be a complete surprise. He is coming home tonight, so I'm hoping that if I have a really nice, tidy, and beautiful bedroom for him to just fall into when he gets home from his long day at work, that he'll just be like, yes, thank you, Kristen. This is exactly what I needed. Fingers crossed. Pray for me, you guys, and I will see you back in my next video. Bye.